Hello everybody and welcome back to regular vlog with Stekarne. Today we have no Lukaku here today, but he can still introduce the video for us here.
Hejsan allihopa och välkomna tillbaka till LKM AB. Lukaku, måleri och autism.
Thank you Lukaku. Don't forget to like the video before you even seen any of the content containing in this video. You know, all the AIDS YouTuber like this video and subscribe. Innan man ens har sett någonting på video, man bara, vad fan ska jag göra det för? Jag vet inte vad det händer i den här videon. Today we are going away for trip. We are going to buy krök. No, we're not. We're going to Kos, and it has been naturkatastrof in Kos. You know, it has been jordbävning. So we don't know yet if we're gonna go away. Fucking flyg is dry hours försenat. Livet är allmänt ganska nice just nu, not really. So today we're going to Kos, but our flight should have left at this time. But now it's leaving 10:25. I want to fucking die. It's good fucking shit airport. Don't go here. I rate fucking 9 out of 11 as usual. We should probably not make ISIS jokes on an airport. We'll get thrown out. But who the fuck gives a shit? So now we're gonna eat food. So today we are here with this ugly motherfucker. Who are you?
I am Thomas and we're going to Kos and it's a jordbävning there and we hoppas att vi ska överleva. Det här är ena självmordsattentatet men vi lever för 4 bokstäver. YOLO, we only live one.
And we're also here with this girl. Thomas, where are we going?
To the tax-free.
Look, this is my husband.
Oh, yeah.
He's very... Yes. Did you see my HBTQ plus flagga?
Nej, det är klart. Det är jävla fitt här. Men så vi klarar den här resan måste supa nu alltså. Ja, nej men alltså, ta mig en klurre.
Du är lite mer. Now we are on airplane. We are gonna die, boys. Wish me luck. Then the VTech kicks in, yo. Here we go. So now we are arriving into our destination. This island here. Now we're gonna fucking die. 4. Welcome to Kos, everybody. Now today we have arrived at our destination. Here is our bathroom. We have 2 sinks where you can wash your hands. And you have toilet if you want to take a fucking shit and a shower. And then you got the bed where you can lay in. And you got some chairs that you can sit in. And we also got an ugly papa.
And I got a nasty son.
And we also have here a private pool. Not too exciting. And then we also have a poolområde. Thomas, what are we doing? So apparently we're going on a mission to find mensskydd.
Yes.
And I think we actually found some. Because this girl is kaputt.
Hur många är det än?
Jag vet inte.
Det står på förpackningen.
Read the förpackning.
8.
What does it say?
Men den här 8, det är 8 i varje. Men det ser konstigt ut jämfört med Sverige.
Men det säger, men vad fan, din tampong?
Ja.
Vad fan kan den göra, vad kan det vara för fel? Den gör en uppgift.
Jag tror att det är...
Thomas! Fuck vad hot!
Kolla på den med färg.
Nej! Men jävla misslyckande.
And we live here and it's rena självmord because it's jordskalv tonight.
Oh nice. Jordskalv has caused fucking complete damage to the building.
One more.
And we're walking fucking many stairs. Oh jävlar!
Here you see, soon it's gonna broken hela skiten så vi
Yes. Looks like fucking ISIS have been here bombing.
Alltså det var fan jävligt.
Fan vad ful det är. Don't forget to buy our new movie Fast så in i helvete featuring Lukaku out on cinemas year 2095. Hi again. Jag har precis duschat och känner mig som vanligt lite smått fuktig. I have also been to the gym och flexat som en jävla spännbög. Jätteintressant för er att veta. Så att nu vet ni det. Now it's time to run and find Thomas. Shit boy.
Hello, William.
Hey.
Welcome to my crib.
Thomas!
Ja.
Hey!
Hej då.
Look, this is my penis when erect. This is my penis when erect.
De där giftiga liksom.
Skitliten och grön och eländig. Jävla Shrek-snorre. So now today apparently is fucking sån här gymnastik. And if you can see down there, see Thomas Nordgren is like a mongo doing regular dance, you know. Thomas, what review do you give the vattengympa?
Yeah. It was really, jobbigt.
Yes.
And,
Are you klenis?
yeah, I'm clearly, but my legs is really kaput, I'm very bad and yeah.
What did you do?
Springing and trying to.
This is what's called art. You take your different colors and you say it's art, and then you write your signature in the hörn, and you're like, oh, I can sell this for 500 miljoner krona. Look here, guys, this is me when I'm coming. It's flying everywhere, like all over myself when I'm laying down, and all over the girl when if I'm intercourse with someone. Stop klämning om butt för fan. Thomas, what we gonna göra nu?
Now we're gonna pumping up the madras and go to the Turkey on the other side,
El Turklando?
And then trying to go over there and they're bored,
Yes, over to El Turklando there.
And, this you can use to, if you are having shit in your back, you can. Are you ready?
Nej. And you see when you're pressing on the A4, this shit går upp.
It's going very slowly, but
it is doing its job.
yeah.
Thomas, is this you and Ellen? Hela handen in the pussy.
Yeah.
So now, Sukablet, we're going out to city, into the stad of Kos we go. Kolla, vi ska åka så här rikemansmärsa. Look is rikemansmärsa. Thomas, we are in Kos City.
No.
No? Here is Piaggio Typhoon, snabb jävla ligistmoppe. Is almost rasing sönder, skitig som satan var den. Nu jävlar hamnar vi på exklusivaste stället i stan och käka på. Jävlar du, nu ska det bli mat för flera tusen kronor. Ja, menyn. Thank you. Here is meny. Gud vad otroligt sexiga bilder. Här var ju, man blir ju för fan nästan påtänd av det här. Look, this is the kind of beer you say when you're drunk. Is the name of beer when you're drunk. Hello.
Now we're sitting on a very fucking nice restaurant with the potato there here, inshallah, folk bara bam bam. Här, wink efter det. Där kan du köpa knark.
Here you can buy some Russian vodka.
This is a weed. It's a looking weed.
Everybody.
Can you do this? Can you do that? Like you take your hand like this, and then you do this.
Låta sjunga. Bra.
Here is my first car. Is a bit rusty. Is fucking good car. Snabb Peugeot. En spricka in the vindruta. En trasig antenn. Kan ni sluta hångla? Jag försöker dra en introduktion här.